skaters, welcome back. I'm so glad you're here. I am Coach Julia, and today we are going to be learning the Dutch Waltz. It is the first structured ice dance that skaters learn. And since we've got ice dancing going on with the Olympics right now, I thought it was perfect timing to learn an official ice dance. So this Dutch Waltz dance, you're going to want to learn a couple steps beforehand, and I have tutorials for those steps. So you're going to want to know how to do a forward chassé and a forward swing roll, and I'll post that link down below. And you're going to want to know how to do your forward, inside, and outside edges, so I'll post a link to that tutorial down below as well. So you can work on those skills if you haven't learned them yet, and then come back to this video. But if you know those chassés, swing rolls, and edges, we can get started. Now, ice dances have a structured pattern, so you want to follow that exact diagram every time. And on those diagrams, you can see what edges and what feet you're supposed to be on, so you can skate with it like a map. I will post a link to the Dutch Waltz diagram to my Patreon account where you can download it for free. Dances, you also want to repeat the pattern, and you usually do them twice around the rink. So the pattern usually goes corner to corner on one half of the rink. So once you've learned that half pattern, you can just keep repeating it over and over again, and then you've got a complete dance. So we're going to start with 4 intro steps. Now, the intro steps to any dance are optional, but when you're learning a dance, I find that those 4 intro steps give you a little bit of power without overcomplicating it. So we're going to start facing counterclockwise around this rink, okay? The dances always happen counterclockwise. So we're going to start, and if you were taking this as a test, you would want to start on the side of the rink closer to your judges. So I'm going to start with a left forward outside push. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now my first step is going to be a progressive. 1, 2, 3. So it's 3 steps. Now that's going to take up a count of 6. The waltz is a 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 kind of a count. So we want to make that progressive take 6 of those counts. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So that progressive again is push, count 1, 2, cross on 3, push again, and count 1, 2, 3. So again, we have our 4 intro steps. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 with that progressive. Feet together. We're going to do a swing roll. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then another swing roll. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then another progressive. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So just a quick run through. We've got our 4 intro steps. We've got a progressive leading with the left foot, a swing roll leading with the right, a swing roll leading with the left, and then a progressive back towards the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Progressive 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Swing roll 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Swing roll 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Progressive 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we're ready for the end pattern. So that was the side pattern. Now we're going to do the end pattern. So we've done our progressive leading with the right foot. Now we're going to take a left forward outside edge and a right forward inside edge, and that's going to take us around the end of the ice. Then we're going to follow that with a progressive leading with the left foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Feet together. Swing roll to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then step, step. And now we're ready to repeat this on the other half of the rink. So that's the complete pattern. Pretty simple. You want to really focus on clean edges, bringing your feet together between each move, getting down in your knees with that nice tall position on your upper body, so you have a beautiful upper body stance as your knees and legs do all of the work. But that is the Dutch Waltz. Now let's go over it all together in one piece. So now we're going to run that complete pattern. And since this pattern goes from corner to corner, on the second half we're just going to repeat that pattern so we get a complete dance. Now besides that nice posture and good knee bend, I also want you to think about pointing your toes on the swing rolls and having good knee bend in the progressives. I talked about the count for that knee bend in the progressive tutorial, so make sure you pay attention to that. And then you also want to feel like you are dancing this rather than skating it. So when you have that music on, you want to feel that music timing rather than just skating the counts, all right? And besides having the pattern on my Patreon, I'm also going to have that music, so you can download the music to this as well. All right, let's get going. So our intro steps, 1, 2, 3, 4, progressive, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, swing roll, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, swing roll, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, progressive, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, outside edge, 1, 2, 3, inside edge, 1, 2, 3, progressive, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, swing roll, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, outside edge, inside edge, repeat, progressive, swing roll, progressive, outside edge, inside edge, progressive, swing roll, outside edge, inside edge, and there is your complete pattern. Now let's do it with some music. All right, skaters, I hope you enjoyed that ice dance tutorial. That is, again, the first dance that you're gonna learn, the first structured ice dance, that Dutch Waltz. So go out, have some fun with it. Maybe down the road I'll show you some positions that you can do that same dance with a partner. If you enjoyed this, please do give us a thumbs up. And as always, I look forward to reading all your comments in the section down below. If you haven't done so yet, then hit that subscribe button and the little notification bell down in the corner so you can see all my videos when they come out. Happy skating, and I'll see you next time.